I ma'am, okay, some Loktak Lake. The meaning Bibalao, other plastic, no, single-use plastic, no. I'm the total no. You see, our Loktak Lake is really precious, you know, to us, to me, and myself, and it's not a dustbin. So you can't just throw your garbage like that. So that's not fine. So pick up your own garbage and plastic and throw it in the proper waste disposal area, which is a dustbin, which is not the Loktak. Yeah, keep that. So people keep that in your mind. Like, where's the human nature that we all, you know, that we all should care about? You know, our Mother Nature. It's only one and only planet that we have. It's only one Loktak Lake, which is really precious. And if that's gone, where would be the other Loktak Lake, right? It's only one that we have now. See, preciously, care to bigadabani. Natra, ako'y himale ba ko care to bigaday na. Ako'y tourist na am dito na hide. Ako'y himale ba kini katang natte. Ado ni garbage natte. Ay ma'am, ako'y haji puna singdok tine ma'am na charamba do. Ado ni singdok tije. Ma'am, see army ne. Kaya na yung environment kami na kaya yung garbage, plastic pollution daw. Kaya na nga si oy mayaman din ako yung murang Loktak talay parang ako yung ako clean army na po na singin na kaya yung plastic pollution na ako cleanest drive mataw din na maya natro Alam din ma'am na dyan plastic no hundok ka no say no to single-use plastic ako ma'am sunto this na nagastalaga na pa view budit ay kawai din nungay na ato ako na siyang plastic isang dukpal doraga just no jabo siyang hundok pa siya hatta ako yung environment na big impact na malaki ne ato din ma'am say no ato din ma'am ako yung Loktak Lake sumiyang badi lakpi o dugot siya tawupi ka no
Don't talk at all.
This is not a joke, guys. This is really serious. Ako na silo singko yan. Amo hundok tiro na. Si kayo no process ang matalaw cycle. Ako ya dun to video. We're human beings. Ako yung human beings. Ako yung sense of responsibility. Like, ako yung dong ma'am. Giyado man ako yung dong putabya. Ado ba ako yung putabya bida? Ako sino singko yung kayo gino. Ma'am na tawbal lang di ba to? Ado man na ma'am na dong cycle na dong tower ba? Ma'am, tinas ko niyo kani. This is not a joke. Ma'am, sige. Keep that in your mind. Loktak Lake is not your dustbin. I repeat, Loktak Lake is not your dustbin. Ako yung imasing na ako yung isang dukaan nung ako yung Loktak ng banda hotel pangba imasing doon as chabura ka tawa hawa di am hijay ko yung hawi ano do ay request naman tawbiin ko tawjake ano do yung request sina pa ay ko no plastic bottle sa di ang kaanda makada na paing sang am garbage ng plastic yung lake ko si pollution am to water pollution or land pollution or earthquake although ay nakaring is imarang mana smart to bida na ako yung proper waste disposal thambi ba do ako yung isang dustbin na matamaga ako yung isang chaba ko pa lord yung puntok na balay na jaga dustbin the half of the matham khojana collect over doma need oiter card tai samana koina sida loi huntoga chai thoga thamadina sina kai koi huge impact ama lakdina koi environment ta sina na koina si huntoi ja si flow tor bana koi gi na rivers seas oceans no am different areas dana chatune si na mo koi sanga na mu cha gadi kamai ho laktuna koi na modu sanga mo cha fish nung do si huge impact laktuna koi humans zamulani animals zamulani koi si pollution jina thole je koi vast devastation hai tare adu ki si le joke amana te ko yam thina serious oina lobbiu koi ki plastic che si yam thina biodegradable that te ko swana koi non biodegradable product le adu ki ima hoi rejection na si topiu dustbin thamo dukan da adu mana koi ki hunto ko do dustbin do hunto ki proper and one another message additionally to these photos that if you come and see the beautiful Loktak Lake, which is like really precious to us, don't just throw your garbage like here and there. That's not good, okay? It's not a joke. It's not chill. So like, I'm going to tourist hona ka laga, koi Loktak Lake, kuja bhi yang bata, koi na sum cha bhi thappa loga, ising thappa loga, sum hundok baja. Sila khatte, koi ye big impact ama lakte koi environment. Sino unje, climate change ka jo, loi matang le na bang ate ne, loi interrelated te. Ado ki tobi ka no, dustbin le do, dustbin no piyo. Bas, I guess message hai. Loktak Lake is not a garbage. It's not a garbage can that you can just throw your this waste, you know. So it's not right. Thank you. Ma'am, see you. Ma'am, no, don't forget to ne. Koi na dis keng ile.
Dispo plate na chai yaw ne ba ko adu sina gira na 이싱 자이나 거의 뭐 소사이티나 그냥 맞땡 방비다 하우는 뭐 정도 맞 하이로 나는 거야 안개 끼었어. 그럼 뭐 해? 나 선자 혼자 야로 있고 이승자야가. 나는 동생아 돼. Rakesh sundi ngo ano po niyo decision day ni mo ya Mabina kayaknya terapa? Ini tahu ini lo, cuma tahu aja. Ada yang dari kau ini tahu dulu. Hah? Apa ni? Lau benar benar tahu lo, benar benar tahu lo. Tapi tahu ya? Kayak gini apa?